We have a really amazing 1966 Ford Galaxie XL 500, complete ground-up restoration. The bill at the body shop was $70,000. Under the hood is a 447 stroker motor with tri-power carbs. We got air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, C6 automatic, Ford 9-inch rear end. The nicest paint job we have in the entire collection here. Go to volocars.com if you want to see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and the monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I wasn't kidding when I said it's the nicest paint job. It's white, so you walk up, you see a beautiful white finish. But when I really looked at it, it's literally white glass. And it does have a little bit of metal flake. I had to see it just in the right light to see that too. So the fit and finish is amazing. All the gaps, I mean, literally every inch of the body, no matter where you look, it's laser straight. All lines up real nice, smooth as glass. Absolutely excellent fit and finish on this body. Opens effortlessly. Shuts real nice. The roof line, the sail panel, all the body lines. I mean, everything about it is right on the money. I don't see any flaws or issue. Doesn't mean there isn't one, but I don't see any. All of this is outstanding. And again, polished like white glass. The Wimbledon white was a little more of a creamy white. This is a bright white. And boy, the metal flakes, sometimes you'd say, no, there isn't any, but you catch it in the right light and you see some. The blue stripes are smooth to the touch. You don't even feel them at all. And again, every inch of it that I'm looking at is absolutely pristine. Even the jambs themselves are slick, even up by the hinges, all painted slick. Real nice. The side glass is tinted real dark in the back window. You can see pictures of that on our website. The windshield's new. All of this, fantastic. All of the chrome, 2 little pieces of chrome I found weren't done. Oh yeah, there's the metal flake. But all of this is sparkling. This is re-chrome. It's like show quality chrome. The grill looks better than I think it was. It's chromed. I don't know if they were originally like anodized, but it's a chrome grill. The headlights, stacked headlights, the bezels, the emblems, all beautiful. All the wheel well moldings were restored. The rocker trim was restored. The correct antenna looks brand new. All this stainless is straightened and polished. The mirrors look new. Door handles. Right here, these 2 little pieces down here, some pitting on that chrome. Those are the only 2 pieces that I think they forgot to do. All the moldings are done and the emblems. Back here, the tail lights, the bumper, this center piece here, the letters, all of that looks like it's been redone and done to a very high standard. And speaking of shiny chrome, it's on some 15-inch Cragar SS wheels. Look like they're about 15 by 8 in back, 15 by 7 in front. They're all wearing Mickey Thompson tires. They're drag radials in the back. Look at that nice meaty tire. Gives the car a nice stance. So there we have the beautiful outside. Got a lot more to show you inside. All right, let's keep it going with this beautiful car. Under the trunk lid in the jam is painted just as slick as the outside of the car. It has the stickers, has a trunk light, and you actually put a little switch on it because sometimes those lights can stay on. So you got a little switch there. The weather strip is replaced. Inside is boxed and upholstered. Nice carpeted floor. Comes with this jack assembly. Looks like these are some exhaust dumps, which is a different set on there. Just miscellaneous, some cleaning supplies and extras. That came with it, and it'll go with the car. And there's a spare tire behind the board, too. You're wondering why there's a jack but no spare. There is a spare back there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Yeah, look at the jambs, how shiny they are. I think they were wet sand and buff. They're so slick. Weather strip was replaced. Now it's the XL, so it is the fancy interior with the bucket seats, but the door panels are new reproduction. And you notice the interior lights are all working, or you will notice that. A very good original type dash. You know, it's not beat up or broken. It's just nice. Got factory AC vents. 1,200 miles on the car since it was redone. An AM radio, but it has an FM conversion. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but it is working. The owner's manual is in the center console. Looks like the original dash pad in real good shape. Couple little wrinkles in it, but overall very good. This all looks very good as well. Kick panels look very good. Has Hushmat sound deadener under the carpet and in the trunk. Real nice blue carpet, professionally installed, and matching mats. It's got seat belts front and back. Real nice center console, and there is a set of gauges here. Nice original center console. And there's the compartment here. There's the manual for the stereo. The seats have been professionally reupholstered in the reproduction material. Just a mild little scuff on the seat there. The trim and back is overall very good. It's original. Got a couple of dents in the metal. Carpet's real nice. Working light. Back seat looks to be in excellent shape. Side panels are in excellent shape. It's got seat belt, at least one on this side. Maybe the other one's not there, or it's tucked in the under the seat. The whole big rear shelf is in excellent shape. Headliner was professionally installed. Real nice and tight, no wrinkles. Matching visors as well. Has a day and night mirror. Has a new deluxe steering wheel at the XL. And then I told you about the gauges. It has a matching tachometer also. So a nice, comfortable, yet sporty interior. That's a 447 stroker on an FE block, big block. And on top is an aluminum Ford intake with a totally new or restored tri-power setup. Has electric choke. The nice finned valve covers. The matching finned air cleaners with the matching valve covers. That all looks real nice. It has some nice coated headers down there. The raw fiberglass heater box. Everything looks proper. These lines here, the transmission cooler lines are run neatly. All painted real nicely. The battery is secured. Upgraded with an aluminum radiator and an Edelbrock aluminum water pump. We also have a nice MSD ignition with a billet distributor, 8.5 millimeter wires. Factory air conditioning system. This is a newer compressor. I like the little cover. Matches the rest of the theme going on there. Power steering. The Ford washer fluid bag is hooked up to the squirters. So we got power steering, power brakes. And again, everything's clean, tidy, proper. Look at the bottom of the hood, painted real slick. Someone's going to get one heck of a car. This is one of our better cars, and by far not the most expensive car. Michael's going to show you how it runs. See you in a few minutes.
Everybody, it's a really sweet ride. Not something that we get every day here at the museum. It's supposed to be $100,000 plus restoration on this Galaxie here, and it really does show. Got a 447 stroker under the hood that has tri-power, 3 2-barrel carbs sitting on top of it, and I tell you, I got in it in the showroom. I don't know how long it had been sitting there. But I didn't even tap the gas, just cranked it, and it fired right up. So for, you know, performance built vehicle, that really says a lot. fantastic, nice clean idle on it. Really tough sounding exhaust. It does have the electronic dumps here as well. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear. Yeah, I think you'll be able to hear. You know, so you can wake up the neighbors if you want to, or you can sneak in your house if you need to. We did service on this, spent about $2,500 bill, including detail, to get in its current running condition, which is fantastic. And yeah, let's see what she's got. Power steering as well as the air conditioning's on. Okay, guys, just like that, we're up to 60. Holy cow, she is a performer, absolutely. This thing is freaking sweet. Somebody's gonna absolutely love it. It's just got a fantastic, really refined feel to it. Nice ride, super tight with the suspensions eating up the bumps. That's upgraded Hotchkiss front end on it. Let's see how it goes down the road. Fantastic alignment and just a tremendous vehicle overall. I tell you, all the gauges down here, it's got the triple gauge and then the really nice tachometer up here mounted on the column. Those are all very practical. The AM radio has been converted to FM, and I do believe, don't quote me on this, but I do believe it has hands-free calling as well, maybe Bluetooth. There is a little microphone up here, but again, don't quote me on that. Come down, test drive it for yourself. It's a great experience, and check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So the metal under this car looks like a chalkboard. That's just how smooth it is. There's no pitting or it's not cut up. It's just nice, clean, smooth metal with a satin finish or semi-gloss black finish. It has a complete Hotchkiss Sport Stage 2 suspension kit. Front and back has upgraded control arms, sway bars, Fox gas shocks. It has some extra steering components up front, so the complete suspension kit from Hotchkiss Stage 2 kit. The fuel system looks like it's been replaced. The brake system's been all redone. E-brakes hooked up, has Willwood disc brakes in the front, has a nice fat custom exhaust system, and there are electric dumps under there. I don't know why there's an extra set that came with it, but they are working dumps. You hit a switch inside the car. Stainless steel mufflers. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. It has a Moroso extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. It has a built C6 heavy duty automatic trans. In back, it's the heavy duty Ford 9-inch with posi gears. So just a great all around car. It's a full size car that offers some comfort and luxury, and yet it's still a muscle car. It's got the look and it's got the muscle under the hood to back it up. Go to volocars.com if you want one of the nicest cars we have. And talk to the salesman to help answer your questions about this car, including how to get it delivered to your door and how to get it financed if you need that too. Thanks for watching.